Are you dreaming of building your own home? Whether you're starting from scratch or planning a massive renovation, a building loan could be a golden ticket. But before we dive in, there's a lot you need to know. In this video, I'll break down what a building loan is, how it's different from a normal home loan, who qualifies, and exactly how the application process works step by step. So let's get into it. First things first, what exactly is a building loan? A building loan is a financing provided by a bank to build a new home on a vacant land or make major additions and renovations to an existing home. But here's the catch. Unlike a normal home loan where there's a full amount that is paid upfront, a building loan is paid out in stages, known as the progress payment, after each part of the building process is completed. The big difference. With a home loan, you get a lump sum upfront to buy a completed home. With a building loan, the bank releases the money in pieces after checking that the construction is progressing. It's designed to protect you, making sure you are paying for the work that is actually completed, right? Now, how do you know if you qualify? Here's the basic criteria. You need to be 18 years old or more. You need to have a good credit score, generally above 670. The loan must be used for residential property and not a commercial. Your builder must be registered with the NHBRC. That's the National Home Builders Registration Council. You'll usually need to pay a deposit of around 10% unless if you apply for 100% bond, which is higher risk, higher payments, right? So let's break down the application process. First step, get pre-approved. Always start by getting pre-approved. It shows how much you can afford and helps you understand your credit standing. Number two, find the right builder, right? And the land. Choose your plot and make sure your builder is NHBRC registered. The builder must have contractors all risk insurance. Number three, submit the plans and the codes. You will need a professional architectural drawings, a full site plan, and a detailed building code. Number four, bank evaluation and valuation. The bank will inspect your land and assess the future value of your home. Number five, legal paperwork and approval. You will sign contracts for the loan, building loan terms, and progress payment schedule. The builder must sign a lien waiver, waiving ownership claims, right? Step number six is stage by stage inspection. The bank releases the funds after each completed construction milestone. Typical stages will be foundation, walls, roofs, and final finishes. Step number seven is final handover. When the building is completed, you get the keys and start your regular bond repayment. So, what are the documents you need to apply? Here's your checklist of the essential documents you need. You need a pre-approval certificate, architectural drawings and a site map, building contract with your contractor, proof of NHBRC registration, contractor's insurance documents, lien waiver form. Having these documents ready will make your application faster and much smoother. So, construction projects come with risk delays, accidents, damages, and that's why it is crucial to ensure that your builder has all risk insurance. This protects the bank, the builder, and yourself. Once the house is completed, take out full homeowners insurance immediately. Insurance isn't just a checkbox, it's a peace of mind. To make sure your building journey is a success, always get pre-approval first before you commit to anything. Work only with a trusted and reputable builder, right? Stick to your budget, but you must add like a 10 to 15% buffer for unexpected costs because you're going to have those, right? It's going to happen. Visit the site regularly. Hands on, owners usually get results. I'm not using a building loan, building a house I'm building, but you will get unexpected surprises. So it's very much important to visit the site regularly. When you are far from it, things are not gonna be done according to how you like it. So that is very much important. I've learned it the hard way, right? Work with an attorney to review contract and agreement, right? Building your dream home is one of your life's greatest achievement. So with the right knowledge, it doesn't have to be stressful, right? If you found this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe for more real estate tips, and drop your comment. Would you rather build your dream home or renovate your existing one? Thanks for watching. I'll see you next, not the next one. This is your host, the Big Elephant. Hooray!